Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you all? How are you all feeling today? Good? Happy? Yes? Because it's the first day of the week. This is your 15th week and day is first. That means today is Monday, right? So you must be tired, sleepy in the morning. Are you? No? Wow, that's great. If you are not tired, you are not feeling sleepy, your minds are fresh, your tummies are full with heavy breakfast, right? That means you all are ready to study. Yes? So which lesson is this? This is your literacy class. Very good. Now what we are going to learn, that I'm going to tell you in a minute. First, I'm going to show you something which I want you all to look at it very carefully and try to read it with your teacher. Okay? Ready? Alright, there we go. Okay. Hey, can you read the poems with me? So what I am reading? I am going to read poems. Right. There you go. Okay, what is this poem about? Okay, fishy, in the sea. Won't you come and swim with me? What is this poem about? Yes, of course, it's a fish poem. This poem is about a fish, correct. Okay, let's move on. Pop, pop, popcorn, popping in the pot. Pop, pop, popcorn, eat it while it's hot. Pop, pop, popcorn, butter on the top. When I eat popcorn, I can't stop. So this poem is about popcorns. Do you like popcorns? Yes, I also love popcorn. So this one was about popcorns. Okay, let's move on. The apple. Up in the apple tree, high off the ground, I see an apple so big and round. I climb up the tree and hold on tight. I pick that apple and take a bite. So this means this one was about an apple, right? Do you like apple? You know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. You should all eat apples every day. It's very healthy. It's a healthy food, right? So now the question is, what is common in all these poems? What do you find in all these poems? There is something which is interesting in all these poems. Like you see, if you see this one, pop, pop, popcorn, popping in the pot. Pop, pop, popcorn, eat it while it's hot. What is there in this stanza that clicks your mind? You couldn't find it? Let's move on. Okay, let's see this one. Fishy, in the sea. Won't you come and swim with me? Yes, correct. Very good. There are rhyming words. Now see all the poems, they have rhyming words. Now it's not necessary that all the poems will have rhyming words, but most of the poems, they have rhyming words. So all these poems, they had rhyming words. Like I've read that stanza for you. In this poem, where are the rhyming words? Come on. Fishy, in the sea. Won't you come and swim with me? Sea and me. Correct. Very good. Now let's see here. Pop, pop, popcorn. Popping in the pot. Pop, pop, popcorn. Eat it while it's hot. Where are the rhyming words? What are the rhyming words? Yes, pot and hot. Correct. Now in the another stanza, pop, pop, popcorn, butter on the top. When I eat popcorn, I can't stop. Stop and stop. Very good. Good job. That means, children, that mostly what happens is that the poems, they have rhyming words. When you read the poems, it clicks your mind, right? So all these poems that we read, they had rhyming words in different stanzas. Then rhyming words were different. So this is what is our topic. Actually, it's about poems. But what type of poems we are going to learn? We are going to learn about food poems, right? Like the one I have just now read for you about popcorns, right? In the same way, we are going to learn something which is related to food. And what that is, you have to find out from your lesson book, page 66. Now, if you open, you will find food poems here. Yes, can you all see? Who is this person standing? It looks like a chef, right? The person who cooks, it's called a chef, who is actually expert in cooking. Okay? Not all the cooks, they are called chef, but the ones who are expert. Okay. Now let's read out these poems. What is the first poem about? When you read, when you look at the page and read the title, it's about jelly on the plate, right? Now, jelly on the plate, jelly on the plate, wibble wobble, jelly on the plate. That means this poem is about jelly, and where the jelly is, it's on the plate. Do you like jelly? Yes, I am sure you all love jelly. So, what are the rhyming words? Yes, come on. I'll read it one more time. Jelly on the plate, jelly on the plate. Wibble wobble, jelly on the plate. Yes, actually, this is only one stanza. So there are no such rhyming words. Only it's kind. You can read it like this: jelly on the plate, jelly on the plate. Wibble wobble, jelly on the plate. Got it? Okay. Let's move on. Let's go to the next one. What do you think this poem is about? Yes, it's about pancakes, right? The pancakes. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake. Pop it in the pan. Fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. What are the rhyming words? Shall I read it one more time? Okay. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in the pan. Fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. Yes. What are the rhyming words here? Yes, pan and can. These are the two rhyming words. Again, this poem is very short. It is only short, two stanzas are there. So there are only two rhyming words, one rhyming pair of rhyming words, and that is pan and can. So this poem was about pancakes, and the previous one was about jelly, correct? Now comes the time for me to ask you questions that whether you have understood the concept or not. Ready? Okay. What two poems were about? The one was about jelly and the other poem was about pancakes. Correct. Look at the pancake. Copy two words that tells you what you can do with a pancake. What are the two words that tells you that you can do with a pancake? Yes, correct. Mix a pancake and stir a pancake. Pop it in the pan. Fry the pancake. Toss the pancake. Catch it if you can. Mix and stir. Correct. Okay. Now look at jelly on the plate. Copy the two words that tells you how jelly works. Yes, correct. It wibbles and it wobbles. Correct. That's correct. Good job. Now, what do you think, children? Which poem do you like the best? Which was the best poem, according to you? I'm sure you all must, your tastes are different, so you all will be thinking in a different way. So, you like pancake? Okay. Yes, Alia, which is your favorite? Jelly on the plate. Wow. Why do you like these poems? Because you love jelly and you love pancakes. Correct. So that means that you know that what is the basic thing of the lesson today. We were learning about food poems. It tells you about the food also. It gives a good idea. It gives like when you read the poems, you will find the rhyming words in the poem, right? So it feels like reading again and again, right? Okay, that's great. Very good. It means that this comprehension is very, very clear to you all. If I'm going to ask any questions tomorrow, will you be able to answer them? Yes, because you have read the poem, you have done the class task also. which you will be doing in a minute. Now what you are going to do, you are going to do part A and part B on page number 68. Since these are questions, very short answers, you need to write it down. So I'm just going to give you 8 minutes and your time starts now. Alright class, time is up. Raise your hands. Done? Wow, that's great. I'll be checking your work later on. First, I just want to remind you that you need to do the homework, which I'll be posting where? Yes, on your portal later today. Do it yourself. It will be related to your workbook. Workbook pages related to food forms only. Okay. If you find any problem, you can leave the work and you can ask me later on. But do it yourself. Now is the time to wrap up the lesson. For wrapping up, I'm going to show you another poem and I'm going to read it for you and you will tell me what is there in that poem. Are you all ready? Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3. Can you all see my screen, children? Great. Now, turtles. One baby turtle alone and new finds a friend and then there are two. Two baby turtles crawl down to the sea. They find another and then there are three. Three baby turtles crawl along the shore. They find another and then there are four. Four baby turtles go for a dive. Up swims another and then there are five. So what is this poem about? It's about baby turtles. So what are the rhyming words here? Yes, come on. C and 3, very good. Then sure and 4, very good. Then dive and 5. Wow, great job. Well done, good. That means that today's task is clear to you all and you all are very, very clear with the rhyming words and with the poems. Yes? Okay class, so see you next time in your science lesson. Bye-bye.